Nimesh has very interesting details for us, or rather, he's doing a very interesting link on some stocks where, because of the recent block deals, this investability has gone up, both from MSCI and FTSE. Nimesh has that list. Nimesh?
That's it, Amit. So, the big theme of the last 10 days has been the large blocks, wherein the promoter entities or the private equity are the big sellers. And because of that, the free float has increased in some stocks. And hence, today is the day when there's going to be rebalancing impact on three stocks. First is HDFC AMC. If you remember last week, Aberdeen, which owns 16% stake, they sold 6% stake in HDFC AMC. So the free float has increased in the stock. And hence today, there's going to be so FTSE has increased the investability weight on HDFC AMC, which will lead to a buying of close to 4.5 lakh shares, which is equivalent to 34% of the average daily volumes on HDFC AMC. So that's the first stock which will get impacted because of the rebalancing. The second stock is Sona BLW. Again, there was a large block. A private equity investor sold close to 13.5% stake via block deal last week. Remember, SBI Mutual Fund was the anchor investor. They bought 5% in Sona BLW. But because of the free float increasing, even in Sona BLW, the investability weight has increased, which will lead to a buying of close to 28 lakh shares, which is close to 31% of the average volumes on that particular stock in today's state. So that's the reason why Sona BLW is in focus as well. And the last stock is Zomato. Even there, because Uber sold out its entire 7% stake in the company, the free float has increased, and because of which MSCI has today increased the weight on the stock, which will lead to a buying of close to 7 crore shares, which is equivalent to 21% of the average volume. So these are the three stocks where, because of the free float increasing, both FTSE and MSCI has changed the weightage, which is leading to a bit of buying flows today at close. So that's the reason why all the three stocks will see higher daily volumes in today's trade.